Hey y'all! So today I'm going to show you how to make a pair of earrings using these beads here. Okay, so I'm going to run through everything real quick. If you want a slow down version, I will have a video listed in the description below that you can check that out. I will also have all of my supplies listed below down there as well. So, my bars here, these are just eye pins. 2-inch long eye pins. Slipped my acrylic bead on. This is a 12mm, and then this is a silicone focal. My tools here, I've got a couple of needle nose. I've got some cutters, and I've got these ones, not sure the technical name, but they're going to help me make a little eye on my pin here. So where to cut? Sometimes you're going to cut the excess part off here. Sometimes you're not. It just depends on the beads that you use. When you cut, you want to make sure that you cover it so that it doesn't shoot across your room. I can't tell you an exact measurement because it's all going to be different based on the beads that you use. And then we're just going to take this and turn it down to make a little eye to put our earring wire on. Now you want to make sure that you check your wires, your ends here, and make sure that they are fully closed. I've had a lot that aren't, so I always just give them a little pinch to close it all the way, or your earrings will fall off. My jump rings here are 5mm, so we're just going to take these and open it now, and slip our earring on, our wire, and close it up. Whoop. There we go. And how super cute is this? If I can get a hold of it here. There we go. Super cute and easy. Okay, I'm going to do the other one real quick. Again, like I said, all of my supplies and everything, where I get them, I will have listed down below. Make my little loop here. Try to get them both the same, but these are handmade, so little flaws of love are going to happen. Open my jump ring here, slide my earring on, my wire, close it up. Okay, put them on my card here, you guys could see them easier. Okay, super cute, easy. Slip my backs on here. And yeah, that's going to be it for this pair. How cute is that? As always, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment. Yeah, if you have any questions, just holler. And until next time, see ya.